Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Working on the Bug. I just did the old, I guess the classic style two-tone with the bed liner spray is the black and the dull green is the like army primer, and looks pretty cool. I did a little walk around to show you guys, and we'll see how far I get today. I'm probably gonna put the other fender on. I gotta work on the hood. It's got some spider cracks in it, so we'll see how that goes. The Baja, I put the hood on. It looks like I have to adjust the hinges a little bit, but what I want to do is I want to put the rubber gasket all around first and see how it sits, and then I'll adjust it from there, because it almost looks like I need to drill the hinges out so I can slide it back further, because it looks like it doesn't want to go back any further than that. So I'll play around with that later on. I did it two-tone The whole top is bed liner, black, and the fenders, as you can see. And the sides right now are like army green prime. What I want to see if I can do is buy a flat green paint, because obviously this is porous and it won't last very long before it surface rusts. So I definitely want to do something there. Maybe even shiny green, we'll see. But I definitely like the black, it looks pretty cool. I got to put the sun visor on still. It's all the way up there in silver still. I haven't finished it yet. Haven't even touched it. I did put on the engine cover. Same black. This is the fender I repaired. It came out pretty decent. You can see from the back. Once I put a little more chrome on the engine and get rid of this ugly exhaust, it'll look even better. And then all those sections of the rear axle that you can see, I'm going to have to wire brush all that, paint it, make it look nice. See what condition it's in, if it needs new axles, if it needs whatever bearings, we'll do that as well. I threw these little vents on for now. I did throw on the one back window. I wanted to see how it would go. And all the screws that went on in here on the inside where it hinges so it can tip out, all oversized. They were all, I guess, drilled out. The wrong screws were put in it over the years. So I had to play around and get stuff to fit, cut down some screws. I got it to work. I got this to work. This little handle right here looks like it was actually melted. It came out of a Beetle that was on fire or something. If you can see that, it's all melted. I gotta see if I can get knobs for it, or maybe I'll just cover the knob. I don't know. I don't know how that comes, or if you need to buy a whole new hinge. But we'll see. So that's it for now. I moved it over because I'm going to be building a table. So I moved it out of the way. And I'm probably going to cover it so it doesn't get all sawdust all over it.